If someone were to ask what the most valuable resource in the world is today, many would say it's oil, gold, or money. But the real answer is data. Today, millions of organizations collect millions of pieces of data. Warehouses, customer information. Can you make business decisions by just looking at a bunch of letters and numbers? No. Here is the most successful and modern solution to this challenge. Microsoft Power BI. Microsoft Power BI is important because it helps organizations transform raw data into meaningful insights, enabling better and faster decision-making. Here are some key reasons why Power BI is widely used. Data-driven decision-making connects multiple data sources, self-service business intelligence. Artificial intelligence features, cost-effective analytics solution. Compared to many traditional business intelligence tools, Power BI offers powerful analytical capabilities at a relatively lower cost. Do you want to learn Power BI with an industry expert, including MVP and MCT certification? Join with the next batch at IBS Institute. IBS Institute. Join now.